Good morning students. Today we will study revision chapter 1 to 4. Okay, first we start with our first chapter, numbers. Write in words. Write in words. In Indian system, then you, according to place value, in Indian place value, you separate, you put a comma. Then ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Again here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now you read this number 43 lakh 74,850. Again 43 lakh 74,850. Then write in expanded form. Write in expanded. You write this number 43 lakh 74,850. Now write in figure. Write in figure 6 lakh 4,000 500 50. Read the number 6 lakh 4,550. First you write our greatest digit is lakh. You write ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Okay. Now you write 6 lakh. 6 write in lakh place. Then 4,000. 1,000 only here. Here 10,000 is here vacant. You put 0. Then 550. Again you put a comma. Then read 6 lakh 4,550. Understand this way you? Then next write the place value of each digit. Write the place value of each digit. What is the question? Write the place value of each digit. Then this is our number. First you write this. Which place 8 is it? 1's place. 8 multiply 1. Then which place 4 is it? 4 multiply 10. Then 7 multiply 100. Then 3 multiply 1000. Then we multiply this answer. 8, here 40, here 700, here 3000. Understand you? This way you find the place value of each digit. Then next, face value of each digit. Now our question, face value face value of each digit. First you write the face value of 8 is 8. The face value of 8 is 8. The face value of 4 is 4. The face value of 7 is 7. Then the face value of 3 is 3. Understand you? The face value of 8 is 8. You write the face value of 4 is 4. Then you write the face value of 7. The face value of 7 is 7. Then the face value of 3 is 3. Understand you? What is the face value of 7? 7. The face value of 3? 3. The face value of 4 is 4. The face value of 8 is 8. Now, expanded form. Write in expanded form. Here you write ones times 100,000, 10,000. 4 you write how many digits left here? 4. 4 zeros put here. Plus 5, then 7, plus 8. Then there is no digit here left. Then you write only this. This is the expanded form. Then write in short form. Write in short form. Write in short form. Here you write 50,000 plus 3,000 plus 40 plus 5. You write, first you write ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. First you write which place? You write ones place here, 5 write here. Then tens place again 4 write here. There is no 100 place here. Any 100 place here? No. You put 0. Then 1,000 place 3, 10,000 place 5. Understand you? How to find in short form, standard form of the number. Then next, round off nearest, round off nearest 10, round off nearest 10. Round off nearest 10, we look which place? Ones place. In round off nearest 10, we look which place? Ones place. In ones place, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In ones place, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come in ones place. There is no change in tens place. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 come in ones place. 1 added to the tens place here. 47. Which place come in ones place? 7 come in ones place. There is a change in tens place. Here 1 add. This 4 goes to 5. Then ones place go to 0. Then 43. Which digit come in? 3 come. There is a change in tens place? No. we write this 4, then 0. We remove this 3, then in place of 3, you put 0. Then nearest 100, round off nearest 100, which place you see? Tens place. Which place you see? Tens place. Here, again the rule 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 come in tens place. There is no change in tens place. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 come in tens place. 1 add it to the 100 place. Here which digit come? 4 come. There is no change here. 3, then tens place and ones place are 0. Here 9 come. There is a change here. Yes, 5. Then here. Then nearest 1000. In which place you look? 100 place. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come in 100 place. There is no change. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 come in 100 place. 1 add it to the 1000 place. Now, Roman numerals. Write the Roman numerals. Okay, there are 7 symbols in Roman numbers. I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500 and M stands for 1000. I, V, X, L, C, D, M. These are the Roman numerals. Now, I, X, C and M. I, X, C, M are repeated 3 times. How many times repeated? 3 times. Therefore, we write a third, 3, then 30, then 300, then 3000. How many M's we put? 3 M's. Now, V and L, D. V, L, D are never repeated. Which are never repeated? V, L and D are never repeated. V, L and D are never repeated. Now we have to write this number in Roman numerals. Then 34. How to write it? 30 plus 4, 34. Therefore, X, 30, then 34. Understand you? Then 45. How to write 45? X and L. L means 50. Then left hand side we write X. X means 10. 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Then we add 5. 45. Understand you? Again 93. How to write 93? X and C. C means 100. We write X in the left hand side of the C. This number now 90. Then we add 3. 93. Understand? The next factors and multiples. Multiples and factors. Factors and multiples chapter. Write all factors write all factors of, then 24. Write all the factors of 24. All the factors of 20. First you write one is every factor. A factor of 1 is the factor of every number. 1 into 24 is equal to 24. How to find the factors? 1 into 24 is equal to 24. Right? Then again 2. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 come in one's place. That number is divisible by 2. Here 4 come in one's place, therefore this number is divisible by 2. Then how many times you divide in rough notebook? Then divide. How many times? 12. 2 and 12 are the factors of 24. Again next 3. You say that 3 and 8 is the factor of 24. Next 4 and 6 is the factor of 24. Then you say the table of 5. 5 is the factor of 24? No. Then again 6 and 4 is the factor of 24. Here 6 and 4 are repeated. Look here, 4 and 6, here 6 and 4 are repeated. Then you stop. Now factors of 24 are, what are the factors? You take a U-turn. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. You take 1 times. These two numbers are repeated. Therefore, you take 1 time. What are the factors of 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. 1 and the number itself is the factors of 2 factors, 1 and number itself. Understand? Now, write the first 4 multiples. Now we write first 4 multiples of 4 multiples. Write first 4 multiples of 3. You write the table of 3 in how many times you write? 4 times. That is 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, then 3 4 ja 12. Then multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9 and 12. First 4 multiples we write. Understand you? Now, find the LCM of. Find the LCM of 6, 8 and 2. 6 and 8. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and so on are the prime numbers. First you write this method, you know this method you write. Then the first prime number 2. 2 is divisible by, yes, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 come in one's place. That number is divisible by 2. Therefore, this number is divisible by, how many times gone? 3. 3 2 ja 6. Then how many times? 4. 2 4 ja 8. again 2 gone here. The table of 2 comes in 3? No. As it is, you write here how many times? 2 times. Again 2. As it is, right there 1 time. Then here 3, 1, 1. Your LCM is equal to this. You take 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. Our LCM is 24. Understand you? Then find the HCF. Find the HCF of 12 and 18. First you find a prime factorization. You find the separate 12 here 18. Table of 2 gone this 6 times. Again 2 go 3 times. Then 3 1. Here 2 go 9 times. Then next 2 go no 3. How many times? 3. Again 3 1. Then 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Then 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. Now you circle the common. This 2. Then this 2. Here there is no 2. Then this 3. Now you write HCF is equal to, you take 1 2 in this group, you take 1 3 in this group, then our answer is 6. Understand you? This the HCF of 12 and 18. You know the addition and subtraction? Okay, you practice chapter 1 to 4 or practice in rough notebook you practice, okay.